Coupon codes are a fun way to accelerate conversions for your different services. You can create coupons from the marketing panel using the create button right here. Now, here you can type in the coupon code of your choice and secretly hope it's available. Then you can choose a particular mango if you want to give discounts to subs of that mango, or let this field be empty if this coupon is for all your services. Now, you can choose whether you want to give a flat discount or a percentage discount, and then you can even limit the number of usages for a coupon, say if you are running this campaign for first 50 people or something like that. Now, interestingly, if you don't select any mango here, then you can choose to apply a particular coupon between a range of mango prices of your different services. You can set the validity of the coupon here and done. Your coupon is ready to rake in the moolah. Your subs can enter this coupon in the checkout page, and then you can even track the usages and earnings through a coupon from this section right here.